Hi, my name is Ryan McNally and this is my 6th coaching log for the coaching experience module at UCLan. As I'm coming to the end of my observational and active learning skills phase of learning, what I've kind of assigned myself to, as I saw that was a weak point in my coaching skills. I've been focusing on it for the past 3 to 4 weeks, solely focused on that key coaching characteristic during my sessions and trying to enhance it as much as possible. As I'm coming to the end of it, I'm going to do a bit of a review to see how far I've come, what I've learned, what I haven't learned, and what the next step is. Looking at what I've learned, I think I've definitely improved my body language. When I'm trying to promote a positive message, my body language is I'm upright, I'm looking energised, I'm positive in my mannerism with the message I'm trying to promote, and I feel like the kids have reacted really well to it, and there seems to be a lot more energy after I've given a message. There's a more positive response to the task that's being approached. I also feel like I've developed my ability to use Socratic questioning. Definitely that's improved. I feel like I'm helping provoke deeper thought every week now, and it's getting better and better with each week and sometimes even each question. And I can also see the education that I'm giving my participants is becoming of more value to them, and they're becoming a bit cleverer with what they're doing now. I also feel in my active learning, I've been definitely being more engaged with participants, definitely developing a better coach-player relationship by being more engaged in what they're doing, or they're more engaged in what I'm doing, purely through the effort that I've tried to put into developing that relation. In the observational learning, I now understand how what I do will impact the performer's message that I've given them. For example, the tone I give when I'm encouraging, it's definitely improved from what it was. It wasn't bad, I would say, but now it's really good. It's really positive. It's working alongside my body language, which, when they coincide, they're working really well together and putting across a really positive message, which then is translating onto the pitch what I'm asking, which is really good to see. What's next? I'm planning to give out a questionnaire to parents, just for general feedback on the sessions, with obviously aimed questions towards observational and active learning skills, to gain a better insight into what they think I'm doing well and what they would like to see a bit more of, just so I can gain a better insight into what they think is good, and also develop a relation with the parents, which could be crucial in the next year or two when the kids start to grow older as well through the coaching experience. I'd also ask my peers to give updated feedback on my observational and active learning skills. When I did it at the start, a few of them rated me 6 and 7, and I'd like to re-ask them their score of me, and hopefully it's improved with the practice that I've been trying to approach with that key coaching characteristic. What I plan to do next on this module and journey of coaching, I plan to move on to a new coaching characteristic. This will become clearer in my next log when I start to reflect on what can be improved next. I'll also review at Christmas how my active and learning skills have naturally progressed from the end of this phase of forcing myself to really promote it with research behind it, and a lot of focus on promoting the messages and developing that skill at the forefront of my mind. I want to see at Christmas a review on it of it's gone to the back of my mind and it's still there, it's still ticking over, and that it's just naturally developing now. I'm not forcing it to, but I want it to be quite interesting when I reflect on it to see how I've improved.